Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aquarius air sign. This is general love reading and this reading is for remaining month of June. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your recent past. Aquarius. So what is going on your connection right now? Lot of thoughts. So your person, near future actions towards you. So let's see your recent past. Aquarius, Queen of Wands, Ten of Wands, Five of Wands. Your person could be Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. So what is going on your connection? The Strength, Hangman, and Knight of Swords. Your person, near future action, ordinariness, we or the world, control. Okay, so here I think definitely some disputes are going between you and your person. Because your person feeling very burdened due to this connection or whatever the reasons, but there is passion between both of you. Five of Swords. Yes, there is some fighting between and some arguments between both of you in past, but passion is there. Right now what is going? Strength. I think one person gaining strength regarding this relationship, and they are now very capable on this situation and to handle anything what is maybe happen in this situation. They will now capable and they are stand by their power. One person, and I think one person in this connection is spiritual awakening, Hangman, and King of Swords. King of Swords is one person is very straightforward, and he also he want to committed. He is not a like coming and in and out person. Not, he is committed. He want to commit this connection, but there are some disputes between both of you, and I think your person is spiritually awakening. So let's see your person, near future action, ordinariness, we are the world, and the control. Control means King of Swords again. So definitely there are some communication between both of you, and your person want to communicate you, and the ordinariness is Eight of Pentacles. Your person want to work on this relationship, or your person maybe have some financial issues. They are working on their issues right now. Ten of Pentacles. Here also we are the world, Ten of Pentacles. So definitely there are some money issues, or for some your person want to offer stability to this connection. Control. So King of Swords is control also. They want to control the situation because they are in some issues. So they want to communicate straightly in one word. So definitely there are some financial issues they are dealing, or they want, for some they want to offer Ten of Pentacles stability to this connection. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe. Aquarius. Politics. Seven of Swords. Yeah, they are playing some mind games. Healing. King of Cups. Projections. Seven of Cups. Experience. Three of Pentacles. Yes, they are healing. King of Cups. They want to offer this cup of love to you. And projections, yes, 7 of cups, they are fantasizing about you a lot, but there is some sneaky energy between both of you. Politics, they are playing some mind games, because if they want really they want to commit to you, but there are some issues, that way they are playing mind games with you. Experience, 3 of Pentacles, when you both want to take this relationship next level, then it is okay, but one person giving in this connection more than the other person, because one person want this connection, and another person is financially, because 8 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles is financial. For some they want to work on this relationship, and they want to offer stability to this connection regarding your situation based upon. So definitely they want to offer this cup of love to you. Ace of Cups. So, but there are some sneaky energy. You both have to work on this relationship experience to gain. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.